Turn this video into this. Open Gallery and play the recorded video. Take a screenshot. Crop suitable part of the image and save. Go to Hitpic application and select AI Expand. Select size and take it to suitable position. Now go to ChatGPT. Now tell ChatGPT what kind of background you need. And it will write you a prompt for that type. Copy that and paste to Hitpic. Click Generate button. Wait for a while. It will show you 3 types of output. Save the one you like. Go to CapCut and add picture at main track. Select Overlay and add recorded video. Adjust equal. Now select mask. Select this. Now rotate and adjust. Your video is ready. Export and save it. Notice the change. Subscribe for more.